Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tom Keene with Paul Sweeney. Stock Movers, Lisa Mateo.
You got it. We have to start with Nvidia, right? It's all we've been hearing about. Ticker NVDA. Shares have been down nearly 2%. So basically the issue is that SoftBank sold its entire stake in Nvidia, pocketing about $5.83 billion. So what it's showing is that the company needs more money to kind of chase these number of projects that it has, right? It has Stargate data centers. It has AI robot manufacturing sites in the U.S. that it needs to put its money toward. And the company said the sale, it has nothing to do with Nvidia itself. Now, but it's the timing, right? It happens during this growing debate whether, spending by these tech firms like Meta, Alphabet are going to produce returns. But if you look back, it's not the first time SoftBank sold out of Nvidia. We saw it back in 2019. Then it started buying back small stakes in 2020, and it kept buying. But SoftBank's portfolio, it also includes a lot of other AI companies like OpenAI, ByteDance, Perplexity AI. So they're stocked up, but they need to kind of put their money in different places.
When Lisa say that, let's stop stock. The Detroit Lions blue button. I'm new, folks. Paul, when you hear Lisa say that, how do you interpret OMG, Nvidia? It's a pullback.
I don't know. I mean, the long-term trends on AI. I mean, we just heard from the earnings cycle we just completed here for the tech companies. Boy, they're still spending huge amounts of money, and they show no signs of slowing. So it's got to be good for them.
Peak 212.
Yep.
199. Lisa's good story. 195. It's cratered down $4. Are you ready? My long-term exponential moving average. It's gone so far so fast. $30 below where we are.
Wow.
162. The thing is incredibly extended in a bull market surge.
$4.8 trillion market cap.
Exactly.
Trillion.
It's ginormous. What do you got next?
Okay, the next one is data center operator CoreWeave. So we're kind of keeping on this AI theme. CRWV, okay, its shares have been down as much as 10%. Let me give you a little background. So it rents out access to AI chips, right? It's a company, it's held its IPO in March, based in Livingston, New Jersey. So they attract, investors
Livingston Diner.
Livingston Diner. Oh,
awesome.
Great place, by the way.
Yes.
Yes. So they...
A remote.
Yeah.
We can do it. They have a good breakfast. Attracted investors betting on the explosion in AI spending. So it's a close partner to Nvidia, right? Its customers are like OpenAI and Microsoft. So it lowered its annual revenue forecast. It suffered a delay from fulfilling a customer contract. Its CEO said, you know what, fourth quarter results are going to reflect it, but the client, affected by it, he's agreed to adjust delivery schedules, so don't worry about it. But it just goes to challenge the challenges of meeting this huge demand for AI that a lot of these companies are having, keeping up.
All right. Very good. Paramount Skydance.
Yes. Okay, here we go. Up here, PSKY. Its shares have been up as much as 5%. So it was their first report, right? Since the new investor group took over the company in August. They raised their target for job cuts, cost-saving measures. Here's what they plan. An additional 1,600-person workforce reduction, a goal to achieve at least $3 billion in cost saving. So what do they plan to do with that money? Well, they said about $1.5 billion in additional 2026 spending for Paramount Plus streaming service, for the UFC, for third-party licensing, boosting their film slate. They want to release at least 15 movies per year starting in 2026. So they have these big goals, and they forecast like $30 billion in revenue next year.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.